The tzatziki run if it's not cold. I got a new wildflower case. Babes, good morning. It is 12:30 and I had quite a slow start to the morning, even though I wanted to not have that, but I could not sleep last night. So you guys saw my breakfast this morning and I just got ready for the gym. I wanted to show you guys my thrift finds yesterday because when I came home I didn't get to haul you or show you my haul, and I found Lulu and just fire finds. I was starting strong with just a normal black pair of Aligns. I don't know what size these are because it doesn't, they cut the tag off in the back, but they fit. I tried them on. They're a little worn. Like I can tell that these were really heavily worn, but I believe they were like, these were $7.99, so I'm not gonna pass that up. Then I got these. These are in great condition. They literally are like the Wonder Train ones, and they have the little pocket in the back, and they are a size 8. And I actually really love the color, and I've never owned a pair of Wonder Trains. I've always just had like 2 pairs of normal lines. So these are gonna be really nice for running. They even have like a little mesh thing down here. Really freaking cute. This I'm really excited for. I feel like Lulu doesn't make designs like this anymore. It's like that striped and cinched material, and it goes all the way down, and then it has cinching at the bottom with like a zipper. And I tried these on, and the pocket in the back unzipped, and that's where I saw the size. The size is 8, and I feel like these are also great running leggings. They've got the little pull string in the front that you can make tighter, so these are just gonna be awesome for running. And it's just so funny that I found these 2 running leggings because I was like tripping, deciding whether or not I should buy a $13 pair of Nike running leggings, and it just turns out I checked this rack and they're more Lulu that I found, and I'm so happy. I'm like fighting the urge to go back today and look for more, but I spent plenty enough on this haul, so I did not need to go back. Then I found a Boston Proper t-shirt. This is such good quality. If you guys haven't heard of Boston Proper, it's just like really, it kind of reminds me of Brandy. Like cotton material is really good, and this is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. And I got this for $8.99. I think the yellow and purple were half off though, so one of these Lulu leggings were half off, but really cute, just red. I told myself I wasn't gonna get anything that I'm not already throwing out. So for the new year, I had got rid of a bunch of clothes, and I have a pile in my closet of just clothes that I'm not gonna wear anymore. So I wanted to replace things like lower quality leggings, and got rid of lots of sweaters and like cropped stuff because I just don't want to wear a bunch of cropped stuff all the time. Like it's time and a place. So it's like a nice full length, sits perfect on the hips t-shirt. Same thing with this like little sweater kind of deal. It's got little puffy arms, and it looks so cute on me when I tried it on. And it's got little buttons on the side, and I just think it's adorable. And again, nice full length turtleneck sweater that is not cropped. Then I got rid of lots of random Hanes zip ups I had. I just don't know why. I like went through such a zip up phase a couple years ago, and I haven't really worn those since, but I love a good just like comfy hoodie crew neck, and I need to start getting rid of some of my hoodies and crew necks. So I got this Kalia black zip up. This brand is always sold at like Dick's Sporting Goods is where I see it, and I got this for $9.99, which is a little bit more expensive, but this is like a really good brand, and I think these are like 50 bucks. So pretty solid haul. I think I spent like, I think after tax my stuff was $45. So for 3 pairs of Lulus and, oh wait, I forgot something. Just kidding. Okay, forgot the 90-degree shirt I got, which is like another really solid yoga brand. I think it's on Amazon if I'm not mistaken, but it's just like this plain black little yoga top, and there's a zipper right here, which again, anytime I see activewear with zippers, I immediately think it's great for running. So yeah, that's my little haul. I am gonna go to the gym and I wanna do legs today and have like a good stair stepper or cardio moment because I need to sweat out my drinks from last night. So that's the plan. Hi babes, it's a little bit later and I am currently having a conniption trying to get this vlog uploaded. I did a few days in my life vlog and it's taking forever to upload. I don't know why it keeps doing that thing where like it'll upload half the video but not all of it, and in the preview it'll be 18 minutes, but then once it's actually uploaded it's like half that time. Like it was like 6 minutes and something seconds, and it's so frustrating. So I'm re-uploading. I wanted this up like hours ago and it just feels like every time I'm rushing to upload a vlog is when it does this stupid crap. So kind of annoyed, trying not to be pissed. I did self-tan today, so maybe I should not be so mad. And I am gonna start doing my makeup here soon. So maybe that'll make me feel more alive. I don't know. I'm just super freaking irritated because I wanted to get this vlog uploaded by now, but whatever. Fun stuff came in the mail yesterday, so I'll show you guys this while I'm waiting for hopefully this next vlog to upload and be all good. So I got some aletheadawnx skincare, and this is daily UV protection, so some sunscreen, and I just have heard really good things about this. It was pretty dang expensive for a sunscreen, but you know, you don't want to skimp out on that stuff. I love my CeraVe in the summer, but I almost just feel like in the winter it makes my skin break out because my skin's so dry and like irritated in the winter. So I need something like a little bit, I don't know, but this is SPF 40, and I did get the tinted one, so we will see how my skin reacts to this. I've seen some people complaining that it makes them look orange, but then my new wildflower came in the mail, my new wildflower case. Kind of sad they don't send them with stickers anymore. I think that's so sad and skimp, but I got a new wildflower case. Kind of interesting, they just like cut the whole top out for the iPhone 17. I don't know if I like it or not, but I need at least one good wildflower case per phone, so I needed to get a new one since I gave away all my other cases for my previous phone. I'm going to check back in with you guys once I get my makeup done. I need to upload some shorts. I have not uploaded YouTube shorts in probably like a week or so. And normally I'm so big about my shorts. I love making YouTube shorts and they always drive a lot of traffic to my channel. I also have a hair appointment on, what day is that on? Whatever day January 3rd is. Excuse you, Bean. Watch your butt. I think that's Saturday morning. Nice bright and early Saturday morning, 10 o'clock hair appointment. I'm so effing excited. Just fresh black hair for the win. Let's try out this. Put on my finger first. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Honestly, just kind of looks like my foundation color. Well, yeah, it's kind of dark. But it'll blend in. Oh, this is like a good little texture. Kind of smells like crayons, but hey. It's sunscreen. I need to not be neglecting a daily sunscreen in the winter time or anytime. Like, I just need one that's not CeraVe, because the CeraVe, I'm not gonna lie to you, breaks me out a little bit. So fingers are crossed with this one. I've seen a lot of people say it's also like a really nice makeup base. That goes on really, really nice actually. Yeah, okay. Okay, Ulta MD, where have you been? Where have you been my entire life? I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'll see you guys in a second. Makeup is done. She is done. Looks pretty good. Lip combo that's been comboing smack-a-lackin', not failing me, is my Gone Greige on top of my CoverGirl lip stain in Brazen Raisin. This is more like a cool tony brown, and this is like Kind of reminds me of Max Stone, but a little bit more brownish. And then I'm using Rimmel Sunday Best 143 is the number, and it's just the Stay Glossy. I think this stuff, I kid you not, is like $3 or $4. Hello, almost focusing. There she is. Like $3 or $4 on Amazon, and it's like my favorite cheapy lippy ever. Ever. I'm fucking obsessed with her. I need to put her back in my purse though, and my entire lip combo back in my purse so I can make sure I get good pics with that later. I haven't talked to you yet in today's vlog. It's just kind of been like a late start to the day, but it is, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 1:30 or something. But I'm gonna clean out my nightstand because I'm going through and doing lots of decluttering today, so I figured I'd show you guys. It's just like not functional right now. Like there's a bunch of junk, so we're gonna clean it out. Okay, way better. So I did chapstick closest to my actual bed, my gua sha there for every night, every morning. This little candle holder has like my Garmin charger and like a bunch of extra chargers. Then there's my Lemmy gummies, which probably I could throw out, but just in case. Then my daily Bible, a book if I feel like reading, and then an organizer, and my rosary with my Nona, and then glasses, extra glasses. So we love that. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I've been so MIA today. I don't know what it is about the start of the New Year's, but I always just feel so discombobbled and like I don't know what to do with myself, especially because I'm trying to soak up my last couple of days of break. But it is 5:45 and we just got home from the grocery store, and I don't know if I told you guys yet in the vlog, but me and Andrew are doing dry January and also like very restricted eating January just to kind of reset our system. So we're big on a lot less carbs than normal, but we love our carbs here. Like we're pasta people. We believe like carbs, complex carbs are good for you. Like you need that, but we're just trying to be pretty easy on it and really like literally no added sugar. Like we were skipping things in the grocery store today that even had like 1 gram of added sugar. Obviously that doesn't include like natural sugars, but I got a big freaking sweet potato, and I am going to, I don't know if I want to cook this tonight or not, but I am prepping some chicken, and I'm gonna do peppers and onions and like pinto beans, and I'm gonna throw it in a pita pocket so I can make like pita little bowls with some tzatziki. And fun fact, lots of tzatziki's do not have added sugar, obviously. It's just a lot of Greek yogurt. But really excited. So I'm gonna start prepping that, and I will show you guys some clips on the way and through while I'm cooking, but so excited. Okay, something I like to do when the chicken has been baking for at least like 20 some minutes is do a little tablespoon of pesto on top. So I have to switch pestos here because we go through some pesto in this house. But tablespoon, just a little bit of pesto on top. Try to avoid the olive oil the best you can, because I've already put a fair amount of olive oil on here. You don't want to overdo it, but I like this because it doesn't burn the pesto like how it would if you put it on too early. So just sprinkling this on, well, rubbing this in on top with the spoon. And this gives your chicken just such a good like Mediterranean-esque taste to it. It's something that I used to even do with my chicken cutlets growing up. Just trust me, okay? My credits are I'm Italian, just trust me. Okay, and then I have some yellow pepper with onion, olive oil, Italian seasoning, pepper. That's all I put on there. I'm letting that get a little brown. Not too brown though, because I like a little bit of the crunchiness. It's totally up to you though. If you guys like it a little bit more soft, then cook it for as long as you need. And then some drained pinto beans. Make sure it is drained. If you don't drain it, the pinto beans will get that kind of like thick filminess from the bean around it, and I feel like it just messes with the pita pocket. But I like to tell how crunchy or not crunchy my peppers will be by just like pushing down and cutting a couple in half. So that's kind of simulating what your crunch would be there. And then I have a sweet potato that I'm gonna be eating on for the next couple days, and then my chicken with the pesto in there. So we will wait. And I like my pita pockets cold because I feel like it makes the tzatziki run if it's not cold. So I will just set some of my ingredients to the side and put it in the fridge while the chicken's cooling so it stays pretty moist. Okay, ignore the disgusting stove, but chicken is done. I'm literally gonna let this rest in there, and you guys will see it when it's all put together. Here's my little pita pockets. I just cut them in half and opened them up a little bit, put all the ingredients. I will be putting some banana peppers on those as well. And I'm just using the Aldi whole wheat flax and oat bran. It is way more fiber and I think about like 60 less calories. And as you can tell, no added sugar. So I'm following my I'm following my little dealio with my dry January. So those are so good.